Hello, hello. Ask PetPeePee. It's a new videos to educate my customer for the right way to clean a Persian rug, a Turkish rug from dog or cat urine odor.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
No PetPeePee. We at PetPeePee invented a cleaning process specifically designed to remove the urine crystal from the dog or the cat urine odor. We built the XPetPee machine and put together a natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Then it is 100% odor free. It means we will never mask or cover the urine odor on the Oriental rug. We never use a dustbuster. We never use a scrubber. And we never use any carpet cleaner equipment or chemicals to clean your Oriental rug. Oriental rug must be done with the love and respect to the art. And this is what we're doing. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Let's go to the customer question. Mrs. Norma from New York asked me, how do you clean urine out of a Persian rug? How do you remove the urine from the Oriental rug? Allow me to explain. By flooding the Oriental rug with a Dead Sea cleaner and washing the rug, vacuuming all the cleaner from the top through the rug, all the urine crystal that trap deep inside the foundation of the rug will be moved, will be pulled out from the cotton wool and fall down to the bottom of the rug. This is how we clean and this is how we remove the urine crystal that cause the bad odor. Mrs. Elizabeth asked me from Texas, how do you get old urine smell out of Oriental rug? Old urine smell, it means the rug already been treated probably with some cleaning products such as enzyme and deodorize and laid on the floor for a long time. For this reason, removing the enzyme, then enzyme basically it's a soap, removing the enzyme that trap, that's locked together with the urine crystal is the key issue. We have to mix a different blended minerals from the Dead Sea and wash the rug in a different way. Washing the rug in a different way, it means we flooded the top of the rug and we vacuum with a different cleaning product. All of them, all my cleaning product is natural, organic, and it is odor free. The key issue to remove the urine odor is to use a cleaning product that it is odor free. Odor free is not going to mask the urine odor upon delivery. Mrs. Nixon from Boca Raton asked me, how do you get urine smell out of a wool rug? Depending on the thickness of the rug. If it is Chinese rug, you have to have a little bit more suction through the rug. If it is a thin rug like a kilim, you need less vacuum pressure. However, whatever we do, the tube shows me in real time what the vacuum extract from your wool rug. And this is how we determine how long the cleaning process continue. Thank you for watching. So, this is quite often I receive this question. Will a carpet cleaner can remove the urine odor? Ask them. When you call around, ask everybody. Do you guarantee in writing the removal of the urine odor without covering the rug with a deodorizer or chemical smell? I want the guarantee in writing. And I want you to remove the urine odor because I pay you to remove the urine odor. I didn't pay you to cover the urine odor with artificial odor. And the main question is, using a scrubber to clean on Oriental rug, yes or no? And my answer is never, never. Scrubber designed to clean a restaurant floor, not a Persian, a beautiful rug. So when you're using a scrubber on Oriental rug, the color will run and it will ruin the nap of the rug. PetPeePee, nationwide service for cleaning on Oriental rug the right way. Thank you very much for watching the PetPeePee. This is my artwork. Enjoy it. And you have a happy Thanksgiving 2021. Customer ask, PetPeePee answer. Thank you for watching.